Akiaria ari mucini munene wa California bururi-ini wa Amerika, uria wari munini wa President Rigathi GACHAGUA niokireire Minister wa UGITIRI wa THIINII KIPCHUMBA MURKOMEN thutha wake kwanirira mubango wa kumuikia ngono agicokereria guku bururi-ini kuma bururi-ini wa Amerika.
Every day they discuss me in Parliament for 2 hours and say they will arrest me. When my day to go to Kenya is due, I will announce the date,
yes,
the hour, and the flight number.
Thank you very much.
So that whoever is interested, in arresting me can go ahead and do it.
GACHAGUA augite tiwe wambikite uthuthuria uria urakuruhania mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto na ciiko cia njuragano, unyitani migwate hamwe na gwikuruhania na ikundi cia Al-Shabab na RSF indi ni bunge ya Senate ya bururi wa Amerika.
I think Murkomen is lost. I'm not the one who have launched investigations against William Ruto. It's the American Senate. The Kenyan government cannot investigate William Ruto because those policemen work under him. And all the things he is doing of killing people and abducting people, he is doing with the very police. So there is nobody stupid enough to go and report William Ruto to the Kenyan police.
GACHAGUA ni anyitete baru ikinya ria bunge ya Senate ya Amerika guthuthuria Ruto kuona ciiko iria arathuthuririo ni iria GACHAGUA koretwo akimutetia hamwe na thirikari yake.
And all I said is that Kenyans should support by giving information to the legislators here to enable America hold William Ruto to account.
GACHAGUA nioritie Murkomen guteithiriria uthuthuria-ini uyu akiuga nioi atongoria a gikundi kia itoi kia Al-Shabab thutha wake gutongoria miari-ini ya kurekererio kwa macibu atano aria manyitirwo migwate kaunti-ini ya Mandera ni itoi cia Al-Shabab mweri-ini wa keri mwaka uyu na gutwarwo nginyanagia bururi-ini wa Somalia.
And since they were released after negotiations, the CS Interior knows much more than anybody else. He is in a better position to tell the people of Kenya and the world and the Americans because he has already had business with them that has been successful.
Ihinda-ini riu GACHAGUA nioritie munini wa President Professor Kithure Kindiki atige kaimana kumurutira mikana ya kumuguoyohia akiuga ndegukirio na no eguthie na mbere na kwaria mana kihoto na angikorwo thirikari ya Kenya ni irenda kumuikia ngono imutware igoti-ini angikorwo ni egukorwo agumirwo ni thitango oro yothe.
I've seen that fellow called Soprano issuing a lot of threats every day. Oh, mimi ni fire, mimi ni noma. Oh, don't push me around. I want to tell Soprano to take time to read Wallace Soyinka. You cannot use criminal justice system to suppress freedom of speech and expression. If they want to arrest me, I am a Kenyan, the courts are there, they'll take me to court. I'll go there, and if they have any charges against me, they will prefer them.
Hado-ini ha Kameme TV, jetagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.